I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for beginners. I've been flying from town to town, from London to. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for beginners. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe.
In doing this camera movement, you have to bend your knees while holding the camera in a steady position. In this way, you will have a more improved video stabilization. And this will be the result of that movement. For doing the upward twist, you hold the camera with your hand and move your body in a circular motion. But for the side twist, you have to mount your camera on a pole or stick and twist the handle in any direction. You can always adjust the speed that you prefer when doing this movement. And your video will be looking like this. In doing this camera movement, you have to tilt your camera at around 45 degrees facing up and position the camera at the level of your waist, and this will show an upward view of places when walking forward. In recording a wall shot, you have to hold the camera as close as possible to the wall, and at the end, you will reveal your subject. And here's another example of an outside wall shot with no specific subject. The main purpose of the close-up shot movement is to show the detail of your subject. This camera movement works perfectly with smaller objects to reveal a certain or a specific part or area. guys, those are my 5 different camera movements that you can use on your travel videos. And if you like this presentation, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more of my upcoming videos, please subscribe to my channel. Just follow this very simple instruction down below. Just don't forget to ring the bell to be notified on my upcoming uploads. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.